Hello, everybody. It's Mindy. Welcome. Welcome back if you've been here before. And hello, if you're new, I'm Mindy. So I have another order here from Whisk. They do bags and they have great things. And this time I tried to get something in each of the styles. So let's show you what I have. Let's get into it. I have taken them all out of the bags. They all came individually bagged, in their own little bag like this, okay? But I took them all out just to save time and all that fussing around with it, okay? So, are you ready to see these? These are awesome. Okay, let me show you what we have. So, first of all, this has a gray back, but it is not a gray bag. You'll notice this is the bottom, so it has a flat bottom. Look how pretty that is, right? I was so in a springy mood when I placed this order with them. I was like, yes, let's get all the pretty things. So this opens up, and like I said, it has a flat bottom. This is a nice big bag. I like this bag. So it can stand up, fairly well. It's got your two handles here, which are very nice. I mean, look at the stitching. They're all stitched along the handles. They're sewn in between the two layers, so they're nice and secure in there, right? They have your two handles. This does zip at the top, so it will zip close. We got zip closure. I'll close it up, seal it up, protect all your good things in there, right? And then it has a little pocket inside, if you can see that. That zips as well. Another little zippy pocket in the back here. Okay, open it up. There we go. Pretty deep too. I mean, you could put a few things in there. This is like a nylon-y material in here, this lining inside. So, I mean, we got some space here, folks. I can see putting a nice crochet project in there, a few books, some other things in there. If you're going to take off, you just need a nice little bag full of goodies to keep you busy while you're gone. Very nice. These are very, very nice. This is a little smoother, the front part, than the back is. That's kind of like a, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know what the word is. Anyhow, they're nice. They're very nice. Very well stitched and all of that. So that is one style of bag that they have. I like this one. I like this one a lot, okay? I can see just grabbing this and taking off to, go someplace for the weekend or something. Just my craft projects, though. All right. So here's the next style of bag that they have. And this is your typical canvasy bag, right? So this is like a regular, like clothy. It's not, okay, it's not stiff. It's not rough. I'm going to compare this. If you guys have watched Craftably, their toolkit comes in a burlappy bag like this. That's what this feels like, okay? This is super cute, though. Life is better with dogs. Look at that big old dog print right there, right? Life is better with dogs. And I believe it says that on both sides. Yep, so it's reversible. Either way, you'll see the pattern. They have hundreds and hundreds of these different styles, different pictures. I liked this one a lot. So this one has the black handles, this fabric black handle, and it's just an open bag. There's nothing, no pockets inside, nothing special inside, but you can put a good amount of stuff in there, right? You certainly can, all right? So that's another style, the canvas bag. We call it the canvas bag. Really almost like a semi-burlappy feeling, but soft, Okay, so that is number 2. All right. Then I did not get one of these the last time. I tried to get one of the little makeup bags last time, but I don't know. There was some problem with it. Maybe it was just the design, the fabric or something. It wasn't available, so I couldn't get that one. Anyhow, look, it's got a little tab here. If you want to like put a little hook on there, you could hang it off something, right? So this is like Monet inspired, right? It's so pretty. Got a zipper on the top, and then it's just black lined. Everything's nicely lined. Well, the canvas bags aren't lined, but this is nicely lined inside. So look, I'm going to be ready, right? I'm going to put my drill pens and cover minders and wax and trays in there and put my projects in there. I'm ready to go, right? So there are 3 styles right there. I have one more. Hang on, I got one more. We're not done here. This one was unique. Now, this feels kind of plasticky. I don't know. It's not. What is this stuff called? Raffia, maybe? It's got like a raffia feel to it. I think that's what I would call it, right? Super cute though. This came in a couple different colors, you know, styles, prints. They weren't printed. They were mainly striped and stuff. But again, we've got a nice zipper. Oh, look, we've got reinforcement down here. Got a nice reinforced tab there. Our zipper will stop there. Stop. And then our handle's been tucked inside. So inside is just open, lined again, of course. And I liked this because of this handle. This handle is super cute. Look, this is just like a little grab and go bag. You just grab it and go, right? Dangle it off your wrist. Put some money in here. Put your ID, your wallet, whatever you need in there. Some gum. And you're ready to go. Just a few little things. Just a quick little trip bag, right? I thought that was super cute. So they have this style. They have other things as well. They have aprons. I've not gotten an apron. Did I get an apron? I don't think I did. So here's the different styles. I love this one. I love that one a lot. Let me see if I can zoom you out so you can see more. But there you go. Love this one a lot. I can see using this one all the time. These are easy to just, you're going to the library, throw some books in there. Hey, you're going to the yarn store. Go take that with you. Fill it up with yarn, right? This will be cute for all your little tools and stuff that you want to take along, and just a little bag if you want to run to the store, throw a few things in there. You know, you don't want to take a big bag. I love these. They're so neat. So that's 4 different styles that they have. Thank you, Whisk, for sending them so I can show them everybody. Yeah, what more can I say? They're nice. Check them out. I will link them all below so you can check them out. There are literally hundreds of styles in the canvas bag. This one, there's a few less, but these are super nice. Super, super nice. And there were a few of these, several makeup bags. So check them out and see what you think. Pick yourself up a couple bags. Who doesn't need bags, right? I have bags all over this house. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be talking to you really soon. Bye, everybody.